Alright, so here it is, 11:15. Nobody's here yet, but we got a VIP access that comes in, checks everything out. And now's a good time to see what they got available. The White Claw, Black Cherry and Mango, Bruschetta, some good stuff. Millersburg, Sagatuck, Redhead, Rusty Rail, lost something. Southern Tier, Lagunitas, Great Lakes, the New Belgium, Market Garden, their stuff. So each of these booths has a couple of beers going. Brewdog, hey y'all. Market Garden. Yeah, see? Ready to sell some beer. I love that. Cigar City. Cigar City is going to be a big one. The Down East Cider. Seven Sun. This is a VIP joint where you can get your own cocktails made. And of course, no event would be complete without cornhole. Man, they got cigars too. I'm in love. Beer and cigars. I guess I can't say that too loud. They might demonetize my channel.
Because after dinner, everyone ought to have a cigar.
So we got the Boss Dog Brewer in Sandy Springs. We got the Shiner stuff, Rochester Mills, Clubhouse Brewing. Platform over there. An acronym. It's fascinating.
Are these people are staying the whole time?
Got cards.
Yeah.
We got KM Apparel. I need a shirt, dude. So, got this going on here. Brandy Melon Gosa. And you gotta try it. Good stuff. And that is the fun and the madness. That is the Tremont Alefest. All right. So let's take a look inside this kegerator thing. This is just basically a cooler with a bunch of coils in there. Runs the liquid through the coils to cool it. And out comes the cold beer. And there's probably like 100 of these here. And there's just one guy that builds them all. It's fascinating stuff. Man, in these pumps here. We got the Deschutes Fresh Squeezed IPA. Little juicy. Little squeezy juicy ale. 21st Amendment. They got a new one called the Spark Ale Sparkling Rosé. Of course, the Brooklyn Lager. It's a newer one for me. This is the Framboise Rosé Gosa from Anderson Valley. Briny Melon Gosa. And we have the Everyman IPA. Grapefruit and orange. Did she say when I was coming? Okay. 11:30. We are about ready to roll. We ready? Y'all ready? Ready. Come on, let's ready. Oh, I suck at that. Come on, let me get the love. Come on, woo! Let's get it. What's up? Come on, y'all. Let's get some love. Good. How y'all? We ready? Y'all ready? Woo woo! I know. Woo! I would. We'd do a high five, but she got a drink in her hand. We are ready, y'all. Sullivan's. We're going with Sullivan's. Sullivan's Red. Ooh, nice. I might have to try that.
Would you like to try one?
Yeah, I'd love to try one. Let me grab a cup. All right, the national games have started. We got cornhole going on. All right, we're in full swing now. Let me give y'all a view. This is the bar, folks, and out there is all the people. We're in full swing. It's not too crazy, not too hard to handle. I'm taping you right now. Woo!
He's not taping me.
I am taping you.
You are?
Yes, that's it. I did. I wasn't before.
Did I just authorize?
You want your money?
Fuck, but I'll drink that. It's okay. I'll drink it. I'll drink it. I'll drink it. I'll wait here and I'll cut somebody and I'll drink it.
Yeah, we can.
Don't waste anything.
See, I'll let you cut this time. All right? You got to work your way up the cut. This is yours. Yes, it is saved. Hey,
Melon one, please.
you can.
You work this every year? Yeah. Do you? Can I get his phone number, find out what shirt he wears next year? Did you work at this place, the Victory?
I know, and I just volunteer.
Oh, you just volunteer? I've been a volunteer, man. That's the perfect
Go online and hear about it real fast.
Okay. Yeah.
There you go.
So one good for me, one for you, one for me. Two for me, one for you.
However it works out.
Have a good day, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That doesn't look like a face of I like these beers. That doesn't look like a happy face. These are sour. You want to do that one? These are sour beers. IPA here. That one's a high gravity IPA. And then we have another IPA. Sourville IPA. No? Alright. There's lager over there. Yes, my love. Hey!
Can I have the melon again?
Yes, you can. You can have whatever you want over here. Alright?
Yes. Underway. It is noon, and this is starting to pack up there. We have full swing. Hey, how y'all doing?
Variety melon. Yes, sir. We got going there. We got a briny melon and we have a raspberry. So we got watermelon, raspberry. All right. Yep. This one's more sour. Let's see. Right?
Oh yeah, I got plenty of time.
Yeah, you do. Try it out. My pleasure.
This is not called that. This one's called Crawl. Sorry. I'll get it better next time.
All right, so that was the Tremont Alefest 2019. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did. And no, I did not get paid because it was a volunteer event.
I volunteered as a beer tender, but we were allowed to have tip jars out. So I made a couple bucks in tips. And also, I got a bunch of stuff. I got a bunch of cool Cleveland shirts that I paid for. Of course, you're gonna do that. I bought some food, and I have some products that I can review on the channel. So, win-win as far as I'm concerned. And once again, thank you for watching. Have a good day, and take care.
This is Sparta!